Does that kind of speak fall or is it kind of corny?
It's a little corny. I don't know how long it is.
What's that?
The pumpkin. Pumpkin.
A pumpkin? You like it? Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree and I've got the whole crew with me today. There's Peter. Say hi, Reese.
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin. We got Leah. Say hi. So I'm not going to add a whole lot of extra stuff to my fall decor this year, but I did get a tier tray at the beginning of the year and I want to get some things to put on it for the fall. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm seeing here at the Dollar Tree. They're fully stocked, and then later on I'll show y'all what I picked up at the house. So let's get to shopping. All right, so Reese, you see velvet pumpkins. These are super cute, but I've already got some pumpkins at the house, so we don't need those, but they've got these cute little Thankful and Blessed. Thought these were sweet. Pumpkin punch. I thought the cinnamon mulled wine was cute. Be blessed and be thankful. Let's see what else we got over here. These are really cute too, these little signs. Gather with grateful hearts. I think that one's pretty. What do you think about this one?
Gather with grateful heart. No.
You don't like that one?
No.
Okay. You like the truck? They've got a lot of cute like signs. I'm not gonna do that kind of stuff this year. Lots of foliage. They're kind of fun. Little sunflowers. These are pretty. These are sparkly. You see them all? This stuff's pretty. What is it, Lovey?
And the ball.
Oh yeah, you've got one of those already.
Okay.
Oh, okay, look, they've got like pine cones and stuff like that. I can probably utilize that. Probably more stuff over here I can use. Little acorns. Oh, this is cute. He's grateful. Okay, let's see. These are cute.
Hello.
Some pretty
Mom,
ribbon.
Dad,
Huh?
brother, this is Happy.
What does it say?
This is a pink.
Oh yeah.
Ding.
What's that?
The pumpkin. Pumpkin.
A pumpkin? You like it?
Why is the passing like
What?
So Peter's finding some cool ribbon. I wanted whatever ribbon you think would be cool. We can kind of go with that as the color scheme.
No, maybe that one.
You like the green?
But this has pumps.
But I'll be putting pumpkins and stuff on it.
Or they have this. No?
It's
Green.
harvesty looking. Probably do best, I guess, with the solid.
So yeah.
I've got the orange. So we ended up deciding to go with this ribbon instead because it made me think more of fall. And then those are cute. Okay, come here, lovies. Okay, I'm gonna do one of these.
Look.
No hands. A little haystack to prop a pumpkin up on
Hey.
would be cute.
Hey. Yeah, why not?
I think it'd be cute to try it and see what it
Oh,
looks like.
this is pretty.
So we're in the aisle where they've got stuff that's more than $1.25. That's cute.
It's a little.
Look,
Want.
this is my size.
It's your size. Do you even know what that is?
This is the freezer for the candle things here.
Making up stuff. Okay.
This is my side.
Yeah, it's all gone.
There's a cheese board. It says blessed on it. That's cute. Grateful.
Look at this pocket. It's not breakable at all.
It's not breakable at all.
Look. This is, you can see me in the pocket.
What about leaves that light up? No. Well, I do have my twinkle lights.
Yes, that's fine.
I could probably put those on there somewhere. That's fun.
This is my size.
Oh, is that your size?
Wow, look, there's a worse one. I want it.
Does that seem harvesty to you? I know it's kind of more Thanksgiving. It's pie garland. Oh, those are cute. Does that kind of speak fall or is it kind of corny?
It's a little corny. I don't know how long it is.
Is it corny? It's 92 inches in length. All right, y'all, so we're back from the Dollar Tree and you already saw pretty much what I got to add to my fall decor. As y'all know, I know everyone's feeling it. Things are just extra tight this year. So we just do not have the extra to spend on a lot of extra fall decor, but I do have some stuff up in the attic, and once Peter gets that down for me, then I'll be able to add this too, and I'll do my fall clean and decorate video. And so let me go ahead and turn y'all around to show you what I got today. So these are just the few things I picked up today at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna try the candy corn garland and see what that looks like going across the fireplace. I really wanted some fun garland, and I don't know if this is really what I had in mind, but I'm sure it'll be cute just for fun for the kids. And then I did get the little pine cones with a few little leaves in there. This is all for my tier tray. I got this really pretty ribbon, like in a rustic orange color. And I'm not sure how this will look, if it'll even work. Just this greenery, I'm gonna see if I can kind of use that along with the things I already have. The little barrel of hay, maybe prop up some things on top. And then I did get this little Be Blessed and Be Thankful stack of pumpkins, little decor. Yeah, so that's what I got to go on my tier tray. All right, y'all, well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with us at the Dollar Tree, the Gentile crew. Until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.